Let's make some grain-free tortillas. These require only 6 ingredients. We'll start with tapioca starch, and then we'll add some almond flour or almond meal, some garlic powder for good flavor, and a little sea salt. And then let's whisk these dry ingredients all together till they're well blended. We'll slip in an egg and whisk that up to break it up and get it started, and then add some non-dairy milk of your choice. This is coconut milk. You can use almond milk, and whisk this batter up till it's nice and smooth and there are no lumps left. Then warm a pan over medium heat, put on a little bit of oil. Use a non-stick pan or a well-seasoned cast iron pan like this one. Pour out enough batter for 1 tortilla. Then when the top starts to get a little dry looking, flip it over and cook it on the other side. And then repeat for each tortilla. They'll just take a couple minutes each. It'll bubble up a little bit and start to set up on top. And then you just flip it over and enjoy your grain-free tortillas.